The Toyota Corolla has long been a symbol of reliability, practicality, and global automotive excellence. As one of the best-selling car models of all time, the Corolla has evolved over 12 generations to meet the needs of drivers across various markets. Whether you're seeking efficiency, comfort, safety, or value, the Corolla consistently delivers, making it a top choice in the compact sedan segment. Here's an in-depth look at the Toyota Corolla's qualifications that make it stand out. Design and exterior. The modern Toyota Corolla blends sleek styling with aerodynamic efficiency. Its exterior is characterized by sharp lines, a bold front grille, and sculpted headlights that give it a contemporary and refined look. Available in both sedan and hatchback variants, the Corolla offers options for those who want a classic family car or a more versatile, youthful appearance. LED headlights and taillights come standard on most trims, enhancing visibility and aesthetics. Alloy wheels, a sport mesh grille in SE and XSE trims, and various exterior color choices provide buyers with customization options to suit their preferences. Performance and engine options. Under the hood, the Toyota Corolla offers a balanced mix of performance and fuel efficiency. Depending on the market and trim, you can choose from several engine options. 1.6L and 1.8L inline-4 engines. These engines are commonly found in base and mid-level trims and offer reliable performance with good fuel economy. 2.0L dynamic force engine. Available in sportier trims like the SE and XSE, this engine delivers a more spirited driving experience with up to 169 horsepower. 1.8L hybrid. The hybrid variant offers exceptional fuel efficiency, often exceeding 50 mpg, around 21 km/h, making it an excellent choice for eco-conscious drivers. Transmission options include a 6-speed manual for driving enthusiasts and a smooth shifting CVT continuously variable transmission that emphasizes comfort and fuel efficiency. Interior and comfort. The Corolla's interior is thoughtfully designed with quality materials and intuitive controls. It comfortably seats 5 passengers and offers ample headroom and legroom in both front and rear rows. The seats are supportive and available in fabric or Softex synthetic leather depending on the trim level. The dashboard features a user-friendly layout with a centrally mounted touchscreen infotainment system. Higher trims offer ambient lighting, a power moonroof, and dual-zone automatic climate control to enhance the cabin experience. The Corolla also offers a quiet ride, thanks to sound-insulating materials that reduce road and wind noise. Technology and infotainment. Toyota equips the Corolla with a range of modern technology to keep drivers connected and entertained. Key features include touchscreen display, 7 to 8 inches depending on the trim. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Amazon Alexa and Bluetooth connectivity. USB ports and available wireless charging. JBL premium audio system, on higher trims. The infotainment interface is responsive and easy to navigate, and voice commands make it convenient to control music, calls, and navigation without distraction. Safety features. One of the Corolla's strongest qualifications is its focus on safety. It consistently earns top safety ratings, including 5-star ratings from the NHTSA and IIHS Top Safety Pick honors for specific trims. Standard across all models is Toyota Safety Sense, a suite of advanced safety features that includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, automatic high beams, road sign assist. Additional features such as blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and a backup camera further enhance driver confidence. Fuel efficiency and economy. The Corolla is known for being highly economical. The standard gasoline models offer excellent fuel efficiency, averaging around 30 to 38 mpg 13–16 km/h depending on the engine and trim. The hybrid variant is particularly noteworthy, with fuel economy ratings that rival some fully electric vehicles. This efficiency makes the Corolla an ideal choice for commuters and those looking to reduce fuel costs. Affordability and value. The Toyota Corolla offers exceptional value for its price. It is competitively priced in its segment, and its low cost of ownership, thanks to excellent fuel economy, strong resale value, and minimal maintenance needs, makes it a long-term winner. Toyota's reputation for reliability ensures that the Corolla can provide years of trouble-free driving. In markets like Pakistan, the Corolla is also known for its availability of spare parts, ease of maintenance, and strong resale value, which enhances its appeal as a practical, budget-conscious choice. Conclusion. The Toyota Corolla's qualifications span across performance, comfort, safety, efficiency, and reliability. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a family-oriented driver, or someone seeking a dependable daily commuter, the Corolla offers a package that meets a wide range of needs. With its modern features, stylish design, and unmatched legacy, the Toyota Corolla continues to be a top contender in the global automotive landscape.